U.S. Consul General Mark Stroh joined Indus Valley School of Art and Architecture IVS Executive Director Dr. Faiza Mushtaq, Sindh Exploration and Adventure Society SEAS President Dr. Kaleemullah Lashari, SEAS Secretary General Dr. Asma Ibrahim, and other distinguished guests to celebrate the successful renovation of the historic Nusserwanjee Building. This landmark restoration was made possible through a $140,000 US Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation grant to restore the building implemented by SEAS and facilitated by IVS.
It is an honor and privilege to see the beautiful restoration of the historic Nusserwanjee Building, a site that is representative of Karachi's pluralistic religious and cultural roots. This newly renovated gem is just one example of how the United States is working with local partners to preserve Pakistan's rich cultural heritage. Since 2001, the United States has awarded approximately 1.1 billion rupees for cultural heritage projects in Pakistan, just like this one. The U.S. mission supports the preservation of heritage sites like these because we know they are so much more than just bricks and mortar. They strengthen communities, and they are an investment in building a stronger, more inclusive, and more prosperous Pakistan. Projects like the Nusserwanjee Building restoration, as well as our efforts to restore the Varun Dev Hindu Temple on Manor Island and Frere Hall in downtown Karachi, exemplify the United States' commitment to work with Pakistan and Sindh province to preserve the rich and diverse cultural heritage which has existed here for centuries.
The old Nusserwanjee Building is more than 112 years old Karachi landmark. Each of its 26,000 stones were relocated from Bachimiani, Kharada in 1991 to become a part of the IVS campus in Clifton. Over the years, the proximity to the open sea accelerated deterioration of the stone facade, which necessitated preservation work.
SEAS Pakistan and US Consulate General collaborated to restore this piece of Karachi's history and brought it to its former glory for our future generation. The uniqueness of the building's architecture made the repairs quite challenging. Traditional stonework experts and the latest technology was used for mapping the damaged areas. Then the team repaired cracks across stone blocks, cracks traveling across pointing and plaster, loss of mortar strength in pointing, erosion, loss of decorative elements and carved decorative elements.
Indus Valley is the leading institution of art and design education in Karachi with over 800 students. The Nusserwanjee Building plays a vital role in the school, as it houses our studios for fine art, architecture, textile design and interior design, and also our drawing studios. We are very grateful to the United States for this much-needed restoration of the Nusserwanjee Building.
SEAS Pakistan would like to thank the United States on behalf of people of Karachi for funding the restoration of the Nusserwanjee Building.
I'm proud that together with Indus Valley School, the Sindh Exploration and Adventure Society, and the U.S. Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation, the U.S. Consulate has helped to ensure that this landmark of Karachi's history is now preserved in all its glory for future generations.